What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley for those who are new here, and today you guys are just going to get ready with me. So yeah, I don't really have a whole lot going on today. I am picking my sister up from the airport, so I just want to zhuzh myself up a little bit. And yeah, let's just go ahead and dive into it. I'm not really going to go over every single product that I'm using because it's going to be kind of chit-chatty and just kind of updating you guys as to what has been going on. But yeah, let's just get into it. So I am currently in my 12 Days of Christmas series on my channel, which if you are subscribed already, first of all, thank you. And you already know what the heck is going down. And if you've really been paying attention, then you've noticed that I have not uploaded as many videos recently because the day that I planned to vlog or post my vlog, I got super sick and I ended up having to go to urgent care because I was having this like killer earache. And actually that's kind of how I ended my vlog that morning. I just was feeling like trash. So I gave myself the necessary break that I should have taken for myself. And I'm just going to upload, multiple videos just to still give you guys 12 videos, but just not like back to back to back. So sorry about that, but really, those are the type of things that you really can't help. But I wanted to kind of update you guys on that. I'm feeling a lot better. It was really just like I had like a mild ear infection and like a lot of sinus congestion, which is fairly normal for me. I have like terrible allergies, so it's something that I deal with a lot, and it just kind of is what it is. But like I said, I feel a lot better now. I'm trying to get back to it. And like I said, today, I have already been telling you guys this nonstop. I'm sure y'all are like, all right, we're glad that your sister is coming, sis, but how much more are you going to talk about it? But sis is coming in town today. She is currently en route, so I wanted to throw myself together real quick because, yeah, I know that we're going to be out here in these streets the rest of the time that she's here. But besides that, Thursday, I went to the Megan Thee Stallion concert, and I was super excited to go. I feel like all in all, it was a great night. I had a good time. I ended up rolling with my aunt and my cousin. And like I said, it turned out to be a good time. It was standing room only because it was a general admission situation. But I didn't realize that it was going to be... I thought it was going to be like a concert. First of all, I never had been to the venue that she was performing at before, so I wasn't really familiar with how the layout was, and I just didn't even think to go online. I was like, even if it's general admission, like, I'll be able to see the stage. Like, if that's how they normally do things, I'm sure I'll be able to see the stage and all will be fine. But when we got there a little bit later than we expected to, which was fine because, like, that just means that we weren't going to have to stand through all the opening acts, because I was just there to throw ass and do hood rat stuff with my friends and enjoy Megan and stuff like that. But we ended up standing in the back, which again was fine with me because I assumed that you would be able to see the stage from anywhere. But listen, I literally could not see her at all the whole time. I wish that I would have taken a picture to show you guys like my view of the stage. So not only that, like, sis came out at like 10:30. I want to say it was like 10:30 by the time she made it out. She did, like, she opened up with her popular songs or whatever. All was good. I was still having fun. I was throwing ass. My knee hurts to this moment still. But she literally was on stage like 20 minutes, y'all. And like when it ended, I did not even realize it was ending. Like, all I knew was I was, you know, getting my bop on 1 minute, and the next minute I see everybody turning around and the lights came on, and I was like, hold on, did I miss something? Like, is there a fight happening? You know, I was just really trying to figure it out. Like, what happened here? But sis, like, chucked the deuces and was like, all right, y'all, it's been real. Have a good night. Like, didn't end on a high note or nothing. So I was a little salty. But what I assume happened, because I'm not going to be mad at her, because, you know, she there to get her check, and she did that. She performed, she showed up. As far as I knew, it was probably on time, whatever her and the venue discussed. But just the way that she ended it could have been more on a high note, and for that I was a little salty. And then too, like, literally 20 minutes, it just felt more like a club appearance than like a venue. Like, it was a venue. It was the largest venue, but a venue nonetheless, where I feel like it could have been like a more well-produced show. But she's a newer artist, so I'm like giving her the benefit of the doubt or whatever. But I was just a little salty about it. I still had fun. I still got to listen to my bops. I didn't see the bitch the whole time. Not the bitch, you know what I'm saying. I didn't see her the whole time I was there because, like I said, the position that I was in or where I was standing just wasn't, you know, it wasn't going to work out that way anyways. So that was my Thursday. Like, I was excited nonetheless. Like, you know, being that it was general admission, like, you know, it just was what it was. I will say next time that it is a general admission situation, I'm definitely going to make sure that I get like VIP situation, because like I said, I just wasn't familiar with the venue all like that either. But I was a little salty. But other than that, like, all in all, I had a good night. So it was like, whatever. But now, like, shit is really getting real, because the holidays are literally this week. And, like, I got most of our shopping done. I'm sorry if I'm blocking y'all's view. But still not everything. And with my sister coming in town, I know that it's even less of a chance that I'll get more shit done. So I'm really counting on my husband to, like, help me out a little bit. And also, like, there's been so much shit to get done, like, just around the house even. Like, because we're going to be hosting Christmas Day. Like, my husband is the type of person where he just wants everything to be perfect and, like, in place and, you know, on point, which I appreciate that, but he's stressing me out in the process because he gets super stressed. And yeah, the stress of the holidays are really nipping at my knees right now. Ooh. My dip brow is drying out, honey. I could tell it's drying out because it gets so thick and dark. So I may have to dilute this very, very soon. So as you guys can see, I recently retwisted my hair. It's been a while since, I think the last time I retwisted was in October. So it's been like 2 months. And this go round, like, it just took me so long to get it done. Like, my hair is like thick, y'all. It may not seem like it is, but my hair is extremely thick and coarse, and like, It can be difficult to work with sometimes. I was actually supposed to get my hair done by the loctician that started my locks. She's actually no longer based in Columbus, so she comes down in town here and there. And I made an appointment with her. However, that Sunday, I just had so much to do, and I just knew that I wasn't going to be able to get there on time and, like, you know, stay there. And, like, there was just too much for me to do for me to be sitting down and getting my hair done. So I ended up having to cancel. So I'm kind of sad that I did that because I really wanted to just see what her point of view was as far as, like, where I stood with my hair currently. But it's just one of those things. Like, and I feel like that's kind of like the theme right now anyways. Like, a lot of my clients, like, last minute stuff happens. So I feel like I've been getting a ton of cancellations and stuff like that. I feel like these eyebrows are cooking, but I ain't finna trip. We're gonna have to work. Ooh. Good enough, shit. Good enough. So how do you guys manage your stress during the holidays? Like I said, right now I feel like because my husband is, and I'm talking low because I don't want him to hear me bitching about it, but like he gets really, really antsy and anxious nearing the holidays. Therefore, it makes me very antsy and anxious and like feeling like I'm missing something. Like, did we get the kids enough? Even though like we said that we weren't going to be getting the kids a whole lot of gifts. Like, I still feel like we end up overbuying for sure. But like, how do y'all deal with that? Because as much as I feel like I manage well, I know this morning I had like somewhat of a spaz attack because yesterday, literally, I did not sit down and like chill until I want to say maybe 8 o'clock that night. I woke up at like 7:30 because my daughter had a game. And then from there, like, I had mad shit to do around the house, a lot of cleaning. I had to paint. I had, you know, I still have laundry to do. I still haven't even touched that child. But how does everybody manage this? Like, sometimes I just want to throw in the towel and be like, you know, I don't want to be an adult anymore. Like, I'm about to like claim like mental insanity and be a child again and let other people take care of me. Does this sound extreme or what? I'm using the Dream Street palette. This is like my go-to every day. And honestly, I only use like maybe 5 of the colors out of here. I go for these, that, and that. So really like 4. I love this palette just for these neutrals. And every once in a while, like, I'll use one of the shimmeries. But yeah, like I said, I'm ready to sign up for the psychiatric ward and chill for a week and be on vacation. Is that terrible or what? And then too, like, the other thing, I don't want to sound like I'm just complaining. Honestly, I'm just stressed, but I feel like that's normal. But normally I take the first week of the year off just to kind of like relax and restore a little bit. But this year, because of how the week fell, like, I didn't want to, like, after the first, just take off the rest of the week and that was it. So I just decided to work through it. But now I'm kind of regretting that I didn't take off my normal time because I feel like I'm going to lose my damn mind. No lie. Sorry, so boom. We got a little eye going. I'm just run a little bit of this underneath my... Ooh. All right. I didn't bring down my favorite inner corner. Oh well. I'll use what I got. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm standing right now. I mean, what do y'all do? I need help. Look, I'm busted. I got one nail. My knee hurts from trying to be like Meg Thee Stallion. And I'm running out of time. All right, let's put on some mascaras. Ooh, what are you guys' goals this year, this upcoming year? I feel like it's a big one because like everybody's like, oh, it's a new decade, blah, blah, blah. So like everybody's trying to like really be their best selves, which I too am trying to become my best self. Last night, me and my girlfriends, which is the only thing that dragged me out of the house, by the way, and the reason why I actually got to sit down, because otherwise if I would have stayed home, I would have found more shit to do. But we had our annual vision board party, and like I noticed a theme of like all of the little sayings, because like we pull like little clips and stuff out of magazines, and I felt like the word that kept popping up for me was wild. So I'm kind of like theming 2020 just being wild, like with my thoughts, with my goals, my everything. Like I feel like wild is that's the mood. The mood is wild for 2020. So do you guys have a word of the year, or like a focal word, or like, you know, I don't know what it will be even be called, but I feel like wild is my word going into the new year, and I don't even know what exactly that means yet, but I'm open to it. So tell me down in the comments below, like, what is y'all's word going into this new year? What is something that you want to carry into the new year? All right. So I am wrapping up. Just gonna pop on a red lip and really look like I did something. I know that this was a really quick get ready with it. I hope that you guys enjoyed. And I hope that you all are having a beautiful holiday season. If you are stressed, just remember why you are here. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be gracious and be thankful for why I'm here. And I'm here because of my family, because of my husband, because of my purpose. Really just trying to ground myself in those core things, because the rest of this stuff will drive us crazy, and if it ain't the devil himself, just cut off my damn camera. But anyways, like I said, just trying to ground myself. I really hope that you guys find peace this holiday season. Hope that you really make sure that you take the time and enjoy the things like your family, like your home, like your friends, and all of that good stuff. And I hope that you guys will stay tuned to my channel. If you enjoy, if you are new here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And I hope that you all stay tuned to the rest of the 12 days of Christmas, because I'm going to keep it rolling, y'all. I'm going to keep it going, I promise. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and until the next one, peace out.